Today we're learning how to add integers using the number line. For this video tutorial to be effective, I will be using this format. First, I will flash each question for about 10 seconds, and you may pause the video whenever you want to give yourself time to try out each question. And finally, I will explain each question and I'll give you some tips and strategies on how to solve each question. Are you ready? Here we go. Question number 1. 3 plus negative 7. Since we're adding negative 7 to the positive 3, our starting point here is positive 3. And if you're adding a negative number, you are moving to the left side of the number line. So from the positive 3, we're going 7 units to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is where we're going to stop. And this is adding a negative 7. So the answer here is equal to negative 4. Question number 2. 5 plus negative 2. Where is our starting point? The starting point is the first number 5. So this is where we will begin. So 5 is the starting point. And from the positive 5, are we moving left or moving to the right? Moving to the left. How many units? 2 units because we have minus 2. So we have 1, 2. That means the final answer here is 3. Question number 3. 5 plus negative 8. So here the starting point is positive 5. And from the positive 5, we're moving 8 units to the left because we're adding a negative number. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer for this problem is negative 3. Question 4. Negative 4 plus negative 6. In this problem, our starting point is at negative 4. And since we're adding a negative 7, this means that we're moving to the left 6 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer is negative 10. Question 5. 1 plus negative 7. Our starting point is at positive 1. Adding a negative 7, this means we're moving 7 units to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the answer is negative 6. Starting with negative 1, and we're adding negative 3, so we're moving 3 units to the left. So the answer is negative 4. Question number 7. Starting with 0, and we're adding a negative 4. Adding a negative 4 means 4 units to the left. So the answer is negative 4. And one way to think about this is 0 added by a number is the number itself. So 0 plus negative 4 is just the negative 4. Question number 8. 1 plus 2 plus negative 6. In this problem, we're starting with positive 1. And from positive 1, we're going 2 units to the right because it's adding 2. So 1, 2. So we stop with 3. Now from that 3, we need to add the negative 6. So this means we're going 6 units to the left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer for this problem is negative 3. Again, for this question, we started first with 1, and then we moved 2 units to the right, that's a 3. From the 3, we moved 6 units to the left, that's why the answer is negative 3. Question number 9. 6 plus 6 plus negative 6. One way to solve this problem is taking out 0 pairs. When I say 0 pairs, this means a positive 6 and negative 6 will be 0. So you will end up with the remaining 6. So we're expecting that the answer is 6 for this question. Let's try to use the number line. For this problem, we're starting with positive 6. And from this 6, we're moving 6 units to the right because we're adding 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, from this 12, we're adding negative 6. So this means we're moving 6 units to the left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the final answer is 6, and that is correct. Question number 10. 7 plus negative 2 plus 4. In this problem, we're starting with positive 7. And since we're adding negative 2, this means we're moving 2 units to the left, and that will give us 5. From this 5, we need to move to the right 4 units because we're adding 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So the final answer is equal to 9. Question 11. 5 plus 7 plus negative 4. Here we're starting with the number 5. And we're moving 7 units to the right. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's at 12. Now from the 12, we're adding negative 4. So this means we're moving 4 units left. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the final answer is 8. Question number 12. 3 plus 5 plus negative 6. In this problem, we're starting with positive 3. And from positive 3, we're adding 5. So this means we're moving 5 units to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From 8, now we're adding a negative 6. What do? We move 6 units to the left. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this means the final answer here is positive 2. Question 13. 5 plus 7 plus negative 7 plus negative 8. The starting point here is 5. Now we need to move 7 units to the right because that's adding 7. And that will be 12. From the 12, we're adding negative 7. So that means 7 units to the left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now from this 5, we need to move 8 units to the left because it's adding negative 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So this means that the answer for this problem is negative 3. Question number 14. 1 plus negative 4 plus 3 plus negative 5. For this problem, we're starting with positive 1. From positive 1, we're moving 4 units to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's at negative 3. From negative 3, we need to add 3 units to the right. So we have 1, 2, 3. Now from 0, we need to move 5 units to the left. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's why the final answer here is negative 5. Question number 15. 1 plus 0 plus 7 plus negative 4. So here we're starting with positive 1. And since we're adding 0, that means we're staying with 1. We're not moving left or right. And the third one is adding 7. So this means from 1, we need to go 7 units to the right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So adding 7 to the right, that will give us 8. Now from 8, we need to move 4 units left because it's adding negative 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer here is positive 4. Here are the answers.